I have a 2013 Subaru Outback. This is 3.6 liter V6 engine, and this car was misfiring, and you could feel the shake into the car, and you could feel it from the muffler. Number 5 cylinder was misfiring. I scanned the car. It was in the memory code. Okay, it wasn't even showing on the codes, but it was in the into the memory code. So the firing order is 1, the first cylinder here, the first coil is cylinder 1, 2, 3 right in the middle, 4 in the middle, and number 5 would be that one, and then the 6th one will be all the way at the end. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I did was number 6 was number 5 was misfiring, so that's the last one over there. So this car has a little different intake. He put an aftermarket intake. So first of all, that's the cover for the car on top of the engine. This is the intake. I'm sorry, this is the air filter housing here. So I removed the air filter housing. I removed this air duct pipe that he replaced. He put an aftermarket in. In order to replace this coil, you need to take off this bolt right here on the engine mount and put a floor jack under the engine so it can lift up, and you will have a lot of clearance. It will go above this little beam right here. But I did not do that, guys. What I did was I took off this plate that goes right here. This is the plate. It has 2 number 10s. One goes right there and the other one is back there. This plate comes off. After that, you have a number 12 that goes onto the coil right here, right? I removed that and I took off the connector from right here. And then I pulled this coil out a little bit, and then you can bend this, like this little boot, you can just bend it out of there. And to put it back, same procedure. You're gonna do it this way, all right? You're gonna push it in first, you're gonna get it in there like this way, and then twist it and put it in there, all right, guys? Shouldn't take you more than 20 minutes to pull it out and 20 minutes to put it back. And it's gonna come with a new bolt, the big bolt right here. So it's gonna come with a new bolt like that, all right? And you don't need to remove this bolt all the way, guys. This bolt, you could just unthread it from the block. And then I just want to show you guys, this is the first time I did one of these coils. This bolt, you could take off all of it. It's gonna be free play in there. Once it's free plays in there, that's it. You don't need to take it out all the way, guys. Let me just take it all the way in, then I'll show you, right? So once the bolt is out that much, you could just leave it hanging there. This is gonna guide you. With the new one, it's gonna come like that. It's gonna guide the bolt itself, all right? And make sure you position this boot right into the spark plug, and that should take care of it, all right, guys? So 2013 Subaru Outback, number 5 cylinder misfire, fix that. If you have number 3 misfire, so it'd be 3 would be this one right here. So it'd be 1, 2, 3. This would be number 1 right here. Number 2 would be cross on the other end. Number 3 in the middle here. Number 4 over there. Number 5 on this end, and 6 over there. All right, guys, so there you have it, guys. Thank you, subscribe, and bye-bye, and I'll see you on the next one. Any guys need any help, please send me a message. So if you have any cylinder misfire, let me know. I'll guide you which one to change, all right? And if you want to take off the engine mount, it shouldn't be that hard. It's just a 1 bolt right there that look like a 15 millimeter or 16 down there. And the engine should just lift right up, and that should take care of it for you, all right, guys? So that's it, all right, guys? Thank you, subscribe, and bye-bye. See you on the next one. Is running, and I forgot to show you guys. All right, there's the part number. Oops. The part number on this is, the light is way too shiny, 5145, all right? $45 piece. And that's what it looked like right here. This is the coil we changed on the Subaru. So we're gonna be changing this ignition coil, and that's gonna take care of it, all right, guys? So that's it. Bye-bye.